Okay, so the question is, how does Thurber's characterization of Mitty in the car with his wife contrast Mitty's characterization in the hydroplane? So remember, on your story, when you snap back to reality, the way you characterize your protagonist is going to have to contrast the way you characterize that protagonist in their fantasy. So I just want you to be able to explain what the contrast was. So first you need to answer the question, then you need to use an example to support your answer. So here's what my answer looked like. I used words from the question. Thurber's characterization of Mitty in the car with his wife contrasts Mitty's characterization in the hydroplane by showing how what? Something was way different, right, about how he was characterized in the car versus how he was characterized in the hydroplane. Now I'm going to give an example. For example, in Walter's fantasy, and I'm going to explain how he was characterized. In reality, Walter, and then I explain how he was characterized in reality, using examples from the text. So, hopefully that makes it obvious what you're supposed to do with this question.